Hello, 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 everybody. Thank you for joining me. I'm Gertrude Chapman, inspirational coach and the creator of the Aspiring Authors Lab, where I teach aspiring authors how to have self confidence. Thank you for joining me today. How to cut through that clutter, how to leverage their knowledge, how to start procrastinating, and especially how to create an income. Thank you for joining me today. And today I'm going to teach you to always be earning money. You know, there's never a time that you shouldn't be earning money. Even while you sleep, you should be earning money. Okay? Thank you for joining me today. So, to break your fears and to be more productive, I'm going to give you some tips today to help you, get through your book journey, your book writing journey. Thank you for joining me today. Because you have the capacity to create that seven figures and beyond. But you must choose to get out there and, just do it. Just like Nike said, thank you for joining me this afternoon. Just do it, because you have that capacity. Now, authors, your audience is out there. They're waiting on you. So this is your time to be intentional. This is your time to really show exactly who you are. So let's get right on down to it, okay? So today we're going to be talking about writing to be productive and profitable, okay? Writing to be productive and profitable. So what are you waiting for? That's the question. What are you waiting for? Are you afraid to look at your to-do list because there's a big, scary book writing project out there? Is that what's keeping you, from going forward and writing your book? Because you're looking at it as this big, gigantic project? Thank you for joining me today. Maybe you're not sure of how to get started or what you should be writing about. But whatever the case may be, it's drawing you away from your confidence. It's drawing you away from productivity, and which in turn, it will affect your profitability. It will. It will. Thank you for joining me today. Whatever the case, can we be real about it? Can we just have a conversation about this? You have to be relentless, believing that success, your success, is imminent and it's possible. You have to believe that. Nobody can believe that for you. Thank you for joining me today. Because money is tied up in your procrastination. You have to believe that. Anytime you procrastinate and you're just sitting there and you're wondering and, you just, in this holding pattern, your money is being tied up. You're leaving money on the table. Now, here's how you can reclaim your peace of mind, and learn how to jumpstart your writing project. You can't look at it as this big thing, but, when you sink down and you break it down and you begin to divide that massive project into, little pieces, it becomes more manageable. You could create immediate deadlines and milestones where you can evaluate your progress. And I also said about this, learn how to celebrate yourself. Celebrate those milestones. Thank you for joining me today. Celebrate those little things. Don't wait till, the end of something, but celebrate. Set those milestones. Set those little things that you can accomplish easily. And it'll make a whole lot of difference in your life. Okay, what your daily life looks like and what you can accomplish each day. This is not a stretch. Thank you for joining me today. But look at that. Look at that, because you want to flow into this. You don't want this to be so crammed up or so so much confusion going on that you can't perform, that you can't do what you need to do. You want to flow into it. You want to flow into your writing. So properly give your writing a space. Give it a space, okay? Give it a space. This gives your writing project more, it makes it more manageable. Put it that way, okay? When you separate out each task and component, it just helps you to flow along and still accomplish something because you just can't be in that holding pattern. You can't just sit there and do nothing, you know? And this is a way, when you do this, this is a way that you will not be overwhelmed. And a lot of times when people become overwhelmed, they give up on their dreams because they feel this is so hard to accomplish. But really, it's not. If you learn how to just break it down, how to, just take those little things each day, do something each day. And if you have more time to do a little bit extra, well, do that. But just don't sit there and give up on your dreams. So today, I'm teaching you how to be productive and profitable. How to be productive and profitable. Because this is your year, okay? That you said you're going to be intentional. You're gonna write your book. You're gonna write your book. Because without breaking it down and really coming to realize exactly what's happening, you're leaving money on the table. You're leaving money on the table. So with that being said, I have this free ebook that gives you additional writing tips on this very subject. And it's called How to Get Unstuck Writing Your Book. How to Get Unstuck Writing Your Book. And you could get this free copy by going to bit.ly/How to Get Unstuck Writing Your Book. Again, that's bit.ly/How to Get Unstuck Writing Your Book. And I hope that what I have shared on how to be productive and profitable has brought you much value. And like I said, go get that free book while it's out there because it offers so many more tips. So many more tips. And while it's free, okay? So go out there and get it, bit.ly/How to Get Unstuck Writing Your Book. And so with that being said, join me again next time. I'm Gertrude J. Chapman, Inspirational Book Coach. And remember, this is your time. This is your season. This is your turning point. Have a great rest of the day.